Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. For an up-to-date list of machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com or subscribe to this channel. In addition to what is on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed as our inventory changes daily, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that our full inventory is located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We are going to do a walkthrough of a 2018 Sabre Pro510 Cnc router. This machine was manufactured January 12, 2018 and has under 200 hours of total operation. This machine comes literally from a mom and pop shop. They just decided to retire. This machine is also not a base model. It has the largest spindle option, which is an HSD tool changing spindle rated at 9 horsepower of continuous use, with a 10-position tool rack. This machine uses ball screws, and more ball screws. It also features a zoned vacuum table featuring a 20 horsepower FPZ regenerative blower. Other options include pop-up pins to help aid in alignment of material, a tool length touchpad, material thickness calibration touchpad, an HSD tool setup stand, If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.